These are all preset programs that can either distract you, guide you, empower you, or control you. All these have something in common, though: religion, astrology, manifestation, wealth, mysticism, numerology, just to name a few. They all have something in common to either lead you back to self, I. Anytime you say, I am beautiful, I am rich, I am here, I am coming, anytime you say I, you are amplifying the energy of awareness. I is that awareness of being. I is the observer. So I is you, your highest authentic version of you observing your game. This is a simulation. Well, life is a simulation. You get to choose your own meaning. You are the one that gets to set the program. You get to decide what you believe in and what you want to incorporate to lead you to the path of your own authenticity. See, all of these have something in common as well. All these have a symbology of this is the authority. These are all illusions of authority because you are the authority in your own reality. You get to choose what it is that you want to do, be, and have. Religion is a road. Astrology is a road. These are supposed to be roads, right? I didn't draw a road, but you get the point. These are all roads. There is no secret door to your wealth. There is no secret door to manifesting. It's all belief systems, right? And when you get to choose for yourself, not because someone told you, because let's face it, I grew up in a cult. I escaped the cult. I was tortured as a child with religion and with abuse. But religion, the religion I was in was Christianity, Baptist, Hebrew Israelite. And in religion, you will hear another religion say, no, they have the answers. No, this is the right way, right? And astrology, I mean, I'm always going to be an Aquarius just because that's the ego. I can decipher where is my ego and where is my I. Who am I and what is my ego? The ego is for fun. It's not to take literal, but just for fun. Hell yeah, I'm an Aquarius, baby. I'm mass number 11, but that's just for fun. I know who I am, regardless of any of these titles. These titles are merely just constructs. This is a simulation. Within a simulation, you get to decide what it means to you, because even every astrologist has a different way of doing things. Even within mysticism, there are all these secret initiations. You don't need to be initiated into something that you are already that of source. You are source. How can you be initiated into something that you are already embodying? So this video is going to help someone to realize that in this simulation, you get to choose what is your truth. What do you want to follow? What do you want to be led by so you can find your own authenticity? All these are only to lead you back to you. There are many paths to enlightenment. I found my enlightenment through religion and being abused as a child. I severely abused. I was very much tortured by both my egg and my sperm donor. Sexual assault, physical, and they almost ended my life, while all using the word God and Jesus. And on the flip side, some people will say Jesus and God would never condone evil. But I've read the Bible, and in the Bible, God says, I am the author of good and evil. So it's a bit of a contradiction to say, and this is just an example, but it's a bit of a contradiction to just say that God does not condone evil and as if God only condones good. But there, in this planet Earth, this is where I come in. This is just a game. On this planet, when you tap into I, you realize there is good, bad, evil, whatever you subjectively see as what is right for your own life, for your own path. If you think it's wrong to punch somebody in the face, then you're not going to do that. But someone else might think it's okay to walk up and punch people in the face. That's just an example. nothing is wrong or good. That's the thing. It's all a part of the game. It's all a simulation. I is experiencing every road through each of us. But depending on your level of awareness, depending on where you want to travel and go with your life, now you get to choose and anchor your own movements. You get to choose how you display your authenticity. You get to pick, am I going to be authentic to me, or am I going to be loyal to something that was designed to just be a preset? These are just preset programs. But you are the author of your own reality. Life is a game for you to choose which avatar you want to play under. Because you can change your avatar too. I lost 75 pounds. So again, it's a simulation. If I grew up abused and fat, right? That's a simulation, because that's no longer my reality. That was false. That is not what I'm living anymore. I experienced it at one point of time, but I've transcended that. So it no longer resonates with me. But I use it because I know someone else might be going through something and think this is the end all be all. It's really not. It's not. You get to transcend anything and tap into any power you choose to have. So what are you going to choose to connect with your own authentic version, your awareness of who you are? Life is what you say, not what a pastor says, not what an astrologist says. There's so many different manifesting techniques, but guess what? We are a manifestation. This is a manifestation. All of this is a manifestation. So manifesting gets this rep too of, manifest. We're manifestations right now. It's now intentionally manifesting to get a desire. Okay, now we're talking a little different, right? The desire is, wealth. I want this wealth. There is no secret to your wealth. Now you tap into I, and you will create any wealth that you want because it's coming from you. Just because one person likes to do it this way does not mean another person has to do it that way. And look, they both end up on the same road. That $1 billion doesn't have a code to it. You have to do this in order to get this $1 billion. It's all your mind. It's what you believe. If you believe you are wealthy, that is what you will see, be, and have. Peace, love, and darkness. I am having a Cut and Thrive workshop on April 1st to the 2nd, which will help you to cut off any, ideas, ties, people, places, things, anything that's not serving you, and to thrive and to intentionally manifest. Because again, you are already manifesting. And I am the master of the mind, because I've mastered my own mind. So I have the lived experience. Words don't teach, experience does. This is all from my lived experience, but I am very educated as well. And I will see you soon, my abundant. Stay rich, wet, and what? Dangerous. Deuces.
Had to hop over fences and climb up the ladder to get what I want, bitch, I'm just getting better. They tried to tell me I would never be shit. Look at me now, body built like a brick. Sleep all you want, but I'm chasing my dreams.